Today's question of the week is, if you won the lottery, what would be the first thing you'd buy? Let me know in the comments down below.
Welcome everyone to my first POV of 2022. We are back here in the Subaru. We're gonna go get it washed. I haven't washed any of the dust off this car since I left it sitting in a field for 3 months. So we're gonna go wash all that stuff off. There's also some salt that we need to clean off as well. This car's gonna look pretty good after. The second thing is I need to stop by a parts store because I'm doing something for the XRS, which you're gonna see in the next video. I need some parts to finish it off. So we're gonna stop by the parts store as well since it's right next to the car wash. Let's go ahead and get going. This driveway here is definitely not low car friendly. It's a little bit annoying, but it's just a minor inconvenience. I need to change out the brakes in this car. They do not sound good. They work fine, which is why I'm gonna save it for when it warms up. Probably on my spring break, I'm gonna get these brakes done. I may go big brake kit, I may not. I've been wanting to, but it's also very expensive. So we'll have to see when we get there. Feels like the brakes feel like they're getting worse every time I stop. I might have to change these out before I hit spring brake because these do not sound good. Oh, they are dragging like crazy. This is actually the worst it's been. I don't know if it's just because I left the car sitting for like a week or what. Oh, that's bad. That rear left rotor sounds warped as shit. If anybody looks at me in traffic, it's gotta be such a weird sight. It's a purple Subaru hatchback with a giant airplane wing on the back, and the guy inside has a camera strapped to his head. That's got to be such a weird thing to see. We're almost here at AutoZone. Just got to pick up a few things for the XRS, and then we'll get to getting this thing all washed up. Alrighty, I will be back momentarily. And there we go. I've got my shopping spree complete. I'll explain everything that I've bought here as well as everything else I bought at other stores in the next video. It'll make a lot more sense. Let's go get this thing washed. Oh, I can't see where the potholes are. Lovely stuff. Let's do it. Ooh, that's really kicked on there. That rear left wheel, as you saw, I blasted it with water. And the dirt still don't come off. Sorry, it doesn't. So this car is gonna need a detail, but I'm not too concerned. This car, the wrap isn't in super good shape anymore. Probably just gonna rewrap it, so I'm not super worried about the finish being damaged because it already is. Well, that's a story for another day. We've done everything we needed to do. XRS parts, washed this car, cleaned it off of its salt, so we are ready to head out. Check out these potholes here. They have not fixed anything. Those potholes are like a foot deep. Would you look at that? My brakes stopped making noise. If that's anything to go off by, wash your cars. It'll fix all your brake problems. What the hell? That's so funny. Oh, my brake noise is back. All right, ignore what I said. Don't ever wash your cars, guys. Here we go. Now I just gotta drive through this pool of salt. And lovely days. I got you your parts. I can finally get you running again. Dude, I do this every time. I have so much space over here and so little here. Whatever. I do that every time. This is so annoying. That's just because I'm a shitty driver. If you enjoyed this first POV of 2022, be sure to leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We will do POVs with these two cars as well. Don't you worry. It's not all gonna be this car, but especially when it's wintertime and salty, these two cars tend to sit while this one goes out and has fun in the snow. I will see you all in the next video where we work with the XRS installing a very, very cool part. I'm sure you guys are gonna love that video. Goodbye.